Alright, parallel and perpendicular lines from equation. This is basically a follow-up to the last one, more or less. So, what do the following two equations represent? So, there's a few ways we can go about doing this. We can either graph these just like they are into a graphing calculator, which I will actually do both ways, but I'll use the graph to check us. So, we want to get y by itself, of course. So, let's add this 2 over here and make this top equation y equals x plus 22. As you can see, I just added the 2 over to this 20. Alright, now I'm going to write this one down here. Let's multiply this negative all the way through. Let's just make this negative x minus 20. Then we can add the 2 over and make this minus x minus 18. Alright, so we have opposite slopes here and different starting places on the y-axis, definitely. So, let's see what these look like. Y equals x plus 22. Y equals minus x minus 18. And look at this. They do cross. And if we wanted to, we could draw right angles here. No matter how we turn this thing, it will make right angles. So this is perpendicular lines. Alright, now we got this one. Let's go ahead and simplify these. So I'm going to use the distributive property on both of these before I add over our other numbers here. So we got 2x minus 6. We're going to add a 3 from this side. So let's make this, instead of minus 6, we'll make it minus 3. Now the second equation, we got 2x plus 2. Now we're going to subtract this 5 over. So instead of plus 2, we're going to have a minus 3. And ooh, look at that. They ended up being the same exact line. So if we were to graph this, we would have y equals 2x minus 3. Let's go to where we can see that. There we go. And then y equals 2x minus 3. Oh, look at that. Same exact line. So this is the same line. Alright. Next one. This one's already nice and simplified for us, so don't really need to do much with it. So let's use the distributive property on this one. So we're going to have 4 over 3x. So 4/3 times negative 2, going to give us negative 8 over 3. Then if we subtract 2, so minus 8/3 minus 2. So minus 8/3 minus 2 is going to give us negative 14 over 3. Y equals four over third x minus 14 over 3. Alright, so let's put this into our calculator here. Y equals 3 over 4 x minus 2. Then y equals 4 over 3x minus 14 over 3. And as we can see, we do intersect, but can we make right angles out of this? No, we cannot. So these are not just straight across, crossing each other. They kind of come in at an angle. So they are intersecting, but they're not perpendicular, because they do not make a perfect right angle when they cross.